Yeah, the issue of gangs, still as Uganda Police Force, we condemn any acts of violence. We condemn any acts of violence, and anybody who participates in violence has to be brought to book. As security agencies, they are working around the clock to see that these gangs do not continue with their behaviors. And at this juncture, as Kampala Metropolitan and the Joint Security Team, they do not want to see any artists moving with a group of youths who are hooligans, a group of youths who their intentions are there to do havoc. So the resolution is that as musicians, true, they are supposed to move with a few selected people, but not 10, 20 as a gang. And they have resolved that artists are not supposed to move with more than 5 people in his group. The others, if they get them, they will be arrested and they will be asked to sort who is who. And the 5 are supposed to be the DJ, because the artists, they normally have their own DJ. They have the manager. The artists normally have their manager. They have their secretary. They have their treasurer. And maybe one person for security. Then the artist, the 6th. So that is what they have resolved. So if you're an artist there and you think you are going to move with more than 5, we shall stop you at any time and ask to sort out yourself. So be advised that you are only now allowed to move with